So the question is, ano itong repricing period or fixing rate? Before we're going to define this repricing period or fixing rate, let me define first this loan tenure. Kasi it has been always misunderstood kung ano itong loan tenure tsaka loan repricing period. So ang loan tenure is a full life of the loan within which you will be paying the monthly amortization, or in short, yung tenure is the length of time until a loan is due. So, yun yung haba ng panahon na tayo magbabayad ng ating loan. So, we're talking about housing loan. That's basically the number of years na bayaran mo yung loan mo. So, like for example, in the case of Pag-ibig, meron silang maximum loan tenor na 30 years. Pero you can also have that in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, until 30 years yung kanilang maximum. At when it comes sa mga bank naman, meron silang, I guess, merong mga 25 years na nag-offer sa mga bangko. So, that's the loan tenure. So, itong repricing period, ito yung fixing rate period of your interest. Pero, don't get confused kasi meron ding repricing period na talagang total number of years the same sa tenure. See, for example, ang tenure mo is 30 years. And then, yung repricing period mo din ay 30 years. Like, for example, let us say sa Pag-ibig, yung kanilang repricing period, meron silang 30 years din. Pero, medyo malaki yung percentage, like 10%. That's the reason why you can select your repricing period with corresponding na interest rate. Kasi the lower the repricing period, the lower the interest rate sa loan mo. Like for example, in the case sa Pag-ibig, para mas ma-visualize natin at maintindihan natin. So for example, itong first year fixing period ng Pag-ibig is only 5.75% yung interest rate niya. This is actually effective in 1st of January 2022, and until now, ito pa rin yung ginagamit nilang interest rate corresponding doon sa mga repricing period. So sa 3 years, which is, ito yung sa loan ko, 6.375%. And then 6.625 for 5 years. For 20 years, actually meron 10 years, 15. For 20 years, 8.625%. So lumalaki siya, di ba? So in 30 years, meron kang 10% interest rate at ang yung fixing period nun ay 30 years. Now, what's the benefit of getting this higher percentage or mapifix siya for 30 years? So one of the benefits na maganda rin yung long term or 30 years, it's because in the span of 30 years, hindi na talaga magbabago yung calculation ng loan mo. Whatever the calculation of your loan, yun na magiging babayaran mo for the whole period. Whereas kung, like for example, kukuha ka ng 1 year or 3 years, then after 3 years, i-recalculate yan. Tapos, depende sa kanila kung, like for example, nag-increase yung percentage ng interest. So, maapektuhan din yung magiging total value ng loan mo. So, ang advantage ng long term is naka-fix na yon. Pero kung titingnan mo din yung mga short term na like 3 years, kasi mababa lang din yung interest niya, di ba? 6.375. Pero risky siya dahil after ng fixing period, mag-recalculate na yung loan mo. So these are some of the information na kailangan natin maintindihan, lalong-lalo na kung tayo ay mga nag-avail ng like housing loan, condo loan. So at least klaro na sa atin yung mga ganitong mga maliliit na information. So now I will show you yung repricing period at the same time yung percentage ng interest rate ng Pag-ibig as well as yung isang bank na aking ipapakita sa inyo para mas lalo nating ma-visualize yung ating discussion. So let's go. So I hope that you learned something out from this video. If you do, please do consider subscribing my channel. I'm gineerbens. So this channel creates a video tutorial, real estate vlogs, and construction related videos. If you are looking for those type of content, please feel free to consider subscribing. You can subscribe to my channel. You can tap that notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. So I guess that's it for this episode. And have a great day and God bless. Bye!